This program combines development studies with management training. It aims at presenting opportunities to the students to network, develop soft skills, focus on leadership, communication, and partnership. It also allows the students to dive into challenges associated with international development. The Executive Masters in International Development will follow a very practical approach and methodology. It will allow professionals to apply the knowledge they acquire through the master in their daily operations, and it would help them to plan strategically for future projects. It is designed for experienced professionals who want to improve their competencies and boost their professional profiles in the multilateral, governmental, private, or nonprofit sectors. Executive Masters will provide technical skills, practical exercises, and the necessary knowledge to excel professionally. Classes will be taught by IE research faculty and top representatives from the United Nations, as well as other international organizations. For example, the syllabus includes courses on topics like the peace, humanitarian, and development nexus, on innovation and digital transformation, on results, focused programming, on community engagement and advocacy, and strategic foresight and analysis, to just name a few. Simply put, there is no other international organization with the legitimacy, convening power, and normative impact as the United Nations. This program will allow students to get first-hand insight, networking opportunities, and projects that will expose them to the faculty of UN personnel, practitioners, and academics who offer real-life experience and expertise. The program was designed taking into consideration the foundations that have become a priority for the UN family. Overall, the program is guided by the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, which provides us with a broad direction. In addition, the UN 2.0 Quintet of Change highlights what the UN must focus in the coming years in order to accelerate the implementation of the agenda. This unique approach would allow students to be at the lead in the development of a stronger capabilities on data, innovation, strategic foresight, and behavioral science and results.